What is web development? Why we have to learn it? What things are required for it? How much the web developers can earn? Assalamu-Alikum friends, I am Muhammad Hassaan Awais here to give you all the information about web development. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video and become the part of our growing family. So let's get started. Before web development, can you give me the answer that what is website? Basically, word website is derived from a web that is made by the spider, and sites mean pages. Website is the combination of different web pages, and if we publish it on internet, it is called World Wide Web. So, what is web development? If you are thinking that developing the web of spider by your own, hahaha, so you are wrong. Otherwise, very funny. It is actually developing the web pages. For example, Facebook is a website and is a combination of different pages like contact page, home page, and profile page, etc. The developer of a website is called web developer. What is front end of a website? Actually, there are two ends in web development, front end and back end. Front end is the page that user can see and that helps user to do their work. For example, in Facebook, posts are front end because you can see it and like it. Front end languages include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Next question is, what is the backend of a website? As the word backend suggested that it is the process that occurs in a website, but user cannot see it. For example, in Facebook, when we like a post, the button becomes blue. Why it become blue? Because the program written in the backend of a website suggested that when the like button is hit, it will become blue. The best and most used backend language for a website is PHP because it only works in browser. For your general information, Facebook is also programmed in PHP. Now, why we have to learn the web development? So the answer is the technology is increasing. Website will become the major part of every business, every market, and every individual. The markets will become online. All the products will be sold on the websites. All the information about the person or the company is available on the website. All the information about the brands will be uploaded on websites. By learning web development, not only you will have better job opportunities, but also you can get undying fame. You can become a successful web developer if you learn it from now. The best place for learning web development is YouTube, websites, and other online platforms. But you can also learn it from colleges and universities. I shall upload a big course on web development. You can get the latest update if you subscribe to our channel. Now the question is, what things are required to become a successful web developer? First of all, if you want to become a web developer, so you have to learn some languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for front end and PHP for back end. You also can learn some frameworks like Bootstrap and other languages to become expert in this field. But if you don't want to learn all these languages, so you can also learn WordPress. Here you can design modern website without coding. WordPress offers you best environment for the development of a website. Other platforms like Wix, etc. are also available on internet. If we talk about the earning of web developers are generally hired in companies and in private jobs. But they can also start their own business by a website. There are different methods to earn from personal website like advertisement and by selling the products on the website. But a web developer can also do freelancing as an extra job opportunity. Earning of a web developer is based on their skills. More you are skillful, more you can earn. I hope you liked this video. If you want more informative videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please tell me in the comment section that you need a WordPress course or not. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us and become the part of our growing family.